Finally, let's look at transitions and connections. These are words or phrases that signal the relationship between ideas, such as however, therefore, for example, or on the other hand. These phrases help you follow the logical flow of a lecture or conversation. For example, if a professor says, "We've discussed the benefits. However, there are also drawbacks," then you know the tone and focus are shifting to opposing ideas from what was already discussed. When you identify these transitions and connections, it's easier to predict the direction of the lecture or conversation and anticipate the questions. Practice this by marking every time you hear a transition word. For example, imagine a professor says,
Frogs are often used as bioindicators because they are highly sensitive to environmental changes, which makes them useful for monitoring ecosystem health. For example, a decline in frog populations can indicate pollution or habitat loss in a specific area.
The phrase, for example, introduces a specific instance that supports the main idea about frogs as bioindicators. Recognizing this transition helps you focus on the supporting detail that may appear in a question, such as, what evidence does the professor give to explain why frogs are bioindicators? Paying attention to transitions and connections helps you connect abstract concepts to concrete details, which is essential for understanding and answering questions accurately.